friends, welcome to Three Tales. I'm Ina, and today we are going to be renovating this dresser.
Good, right?
You guys are good.
So.
We lay it on the Oh, man, it's so nice.
Ooh, this thing is big. Boy, that thing is nice.
Alright, now it's time to try the varnish. Let me move here. Shake it up. Put some gloves on. Put that on here and see if it'll clean this up or not. We shall see. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. At 30 minutes, the directions say if you're not getting the results you want to add more of the chemical to the surface. So right now I'm just checking to see if any of this is coming off, which maybe it is. I'm gonna throw some gloves on and get the scraper and see if I can't get some of this nasty off. I think it's actually coming off. I don't know, guys. Maybe I just have to goop it on real heavy, like. I know. Look at that. You guys see? I don't even know. Guys, it's just coming right off. Look at that. All right. This piece came out great. This is how I want it. I want over 90% of the Deco podge gone for cleaning purposes. Now I can wash this surface, get all the residue off, and then give it a good sand to get the last of the little bits off. And it'll be ready for a new stain color to go on here. This piece is looking good. And this is actually a pretty nice color. I want it to be just a shade darker than this. I haven't picked out a stain yet. I'm looking at a few options for that. This is looking good. I'm happy with this piece. I have to get the other two done now. And then this did not come off very well. This is what I'm having a hard time with. That's glue right there, that black that you see in the camera is glue, and it's not coming off to save my life. So I'm gonna apply more stripper on the body of the dresser, concentrating on these heavier, darker spots, and then leave that to sit for a few hours. Hopefully that'll come off. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take care of the drawer fronts. In the 1930s and 40s, veneer was sort of a newer thing for furniture makers. So there was a lot of people at the time playing with these different ways to make cathedrals and angles with the grain of the wood. To have an original piece with the veneer already in here, the veneer actually is a little thicker than you would normally find furniture to be. It's actually built a little bit better. At least the veneer itself is, so it lasts longer. This stuff is really great quality, and Art Deco furniture had a lot of angles in it, and they played with those veneers and those lines to make some really beautiful pieces of furniture. And they stained them in several different types of wood and color to kind of give it extra architectural detail. Bringing this piece back to life is going to be awesome. Okay, next step. I got the varnish peeling stuff going on the other two. These are done for the most part. Oh man. Anyway, so we're gonna try to put these back together. We'll fix them because they're all tattered by taking this duct tape off. And then we're gonna, I don't know, fix the dovetail or something, and then, I don't know, wood glue them or something like that. I don't really know. Opie's gonna do that. We're gonna have some fun with this, and it's gonna be great. We're gonna make some new drawer boxes.
Okay. It's a drawer. It's done.
Meow. Meow. What you doing, Goober?
Sorry about the dog barking in the back. That dog's never gonna shut up. It's gonna keep happening. Still going. Still going. So let me tell you guys what's going on right now. I milled down these extra scrap pieces of maple that I have. I'm planning on doing these as the as the slides, as it were. I'm going to do these cuts on the inside here, not at a 45, a little bit less than that, and it's going to give me kind of like a French cleat system. That's my idea. So I'm placing these underneath the drawers, and then we'll have it cut off so that one triangle is connected to the drawer, and that'll help it slide in and out without wiggling back and forth. And I hope that works. I have no idea if this is... We're gonna find out! Okay, so let me tell you what I'm doing. I am trying to install the drawers with the new drawer slide system onto that. And I haven't figured out how I'm going to do it, so I kind of have it's not going to work, but this is what I'm going to try. Because it's clever. Or it's really not, and we'll find out together. So I have this, which is the drawer slides here. So these are the central French cleat. These are actually already glued and brad nailed in, so I really hope that works, because I shouldn't have done that so permanently, but that's okay. So these are the sides. These are like our French cleat system, and I have some double-sided tape up here and there, you know, and then it's all just kind of just taped together so that when I slide it in, I can take the tape off and then put these little dudes on there. And it'll work. This is probably not gonna work, but I'm gonna try it anyways.
He's dead. He's dead, dog.
It's very violent.
Our handles, we coated in polyurethane as well as the rest of the piece to help give it a nice strong coat on the end and give it the high gloss that it needed. We did 3 different types of stain. A black kind of glaze on the outside, a tongue oil on the top, and a gun stock for the top drawer, as is required for the traditional style of the piece. Just trying to bring it back to life and bring it to where it was supposed to be back then. And so I think it looks pretty good in the room, and it's going to stay here for a long time to come.